Hey guys, and welcome back. On this video, we're doing a burger. We're doing a Philly cheesesteak burger. Let's get going. All right, so to start off, I have some nice thinly cut ribeye. And thanks to Greg over at Ballistic Barbecue, he told me to go down to the Asian market because they already had this made up. So here we go. So we got our thinly sliced ribeye, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and chop this up a little bit. I've seen it done a whole lot of different ways, and this is not an authentic Philly cheesesteak. I know there's a huge debate out there on who has the best, the authentic. This is just my version, I guess. So we're going to take this, and we're just going to cut these up into a manageable pieces. And these are a little bit frozen, so it is making it a little bit easy to cut up. All right, so for our burgers, what I got here is some ground up tri-tip. Now, I had the market go ahead and grind this up for me, save me a little bit of time, but I got a tri-tip and I just asked them to grind it. So this is what we have. Gonna hit with a little salt and pepper. Also got our green peppers and onions. I like green peppers and onions on mine. So we got that all chopped up, ready to go. Let's get out to the grill. All right, we got our flat top going. I'm gonna hit this with a little duck fat. You can use butter, ghee, olive oil. It doesn't really matter. Get our ribeye on there. Get our peppers and onions, which should have gone on first. All right, we got some good char on this. I did hit with a little bit of salt. Go ahead and get this into our ribeye, which is over on this side because there's no briquettes, so it's nice and just warm. So we'll go ahead and get this whole mixture on the side to keep warm. We're going to take our tri-tip that I lightly salted on this side, get those on. Go ahead and hit it with some salt on the other. All right, so we are just about there to put this bad boy together. Get some white American on our burgers. This one sort of fell apart, but we're going to use it. I'm going to bring over a little bit of our steak and peppers. Make a nice mound. Cover that with some American cheese. We're going to get our top buns on there to steam. Get these over, get a little toast on these. I got no butter on them or anything. Got a nice little toast. Get those set up. Now let's see if this works. That right on top. All right, I know I did that off camera, but we'll get the money shot when we get inside. Let me get this cleaned up. Things are moving fast. All right, that moved pretty quick. I wish I had the camera set up a little bit better so you can at least show me building it, but nonetheless, I took the tri-tip patty, the cheesesteak, pepper, cheese, laid it on top, dropped it on the bottom bun, and this is what we got here. This looks amazing. So let's just dig in. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I'm making a mess. It's probably all in my beard right now. That bread is soft. The peppers got a good caramelization on it. That cheese, I love American white cheese. I know you can use provolone, you can use whatever cheese you want. I'm not saying this is authentic Philly cheesesteak, but this is my attempt on a Philly cheesesteak burger. Patty's cooked perfectly, nice and juicy. It's dripping all over me right now. I can tear into a couple of these. Remember guys, hit that thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next round. Thanks for watching.